Aren't you glad I didn't say dick? Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Okay, so in today's video, I'm gonna do part 2, episode 2 to my rainbow series because we're embracing gay in 2020, bitch. Okay, and I don't give a fuck what you gotta say. Anyway, so yeah, episode 2, the color of the rainbow is gonna be orange, and the orange palette today is Aren't You Glad from ColourPop. Yes, so if you guys are new to my channel, I'm doing a rainbow series on my channel with all the monochromatic colors from ColourPop that I received in my Black Friday haul. So if you guys didn't see that, I will try my best to link it up here in the cards. Or if you want to just binge watch my video, go ahead. It should be like the 3rd newest one. So yeah, go ahead and watch it if you want to. Anyway, so yeah guys, I'm going to do a swatch party and you're invited, baby girl. So yeah, let's swatch the shadows first and then let's just test them on my eyes. So yeah, the first color is called Zested, which is right here. Yeah, Zested is like this neutral orange tone. I don't think it's going to show up on my skin, but we're gonna try it tonight. Yeah, you could barely see it. It's like a light creamsicle color. I like it though. It's a really good, like if you want to set your foundation. Set your eyeliner. I can't talk tonight. You know what the fuck I'm talking about. I ain't gonna say it. Anyway, so the next color is called Squeeze Me, which is right here, the shimmery orange. It looks really pretty. Oh, it is, bitch. Oh my god. Sorry. I was gonna like do the night. Oh my god, they come out so pigmented. Look at that. Oh, so pretty. The next one is called Creamsicle, which is right here. I know you guys can see me. I'm sorry. This camera, I can't bend it all the way. So it's called Creamsicle, and it's this true creamsicle orange. It's really pretty. It's giving me Kraft mac and cheese, the cheese powder. I know if you guys are fat, girl, you know what the fuck I'm talking about. It looks pretty. Alright, so the next color is Rise and Grind. Oops, sorry, I had a fart. I meant fart out my mouth. Any fucking way, okay. See, Rise and Grind is like this, more like, I gotta say like true orange color, in my opinion. When I think of an orange, that's what I think of. Ooh, that's pretty. I like it. It's so pretty. I can't wait to do the look with these colors because it's gonna be really fun, fresh, clean look, and I can't wait. So we're gonna have our first glitter of the series. It's called Clementine right here, and it's like, I don't know, let's swatch it. Ooh, it's really like gel-like, but it really is cute. Look at, ooh, I love glitter. If you guys know me, I know. I live for a good glitter. Alright, it doesn't swatch the best. You can't really see it. It's like a clear base. It has a clear base, so it doesn't really pull like no orange pigment. You can only see the shimmer. The next color is called Sun Kissed, and it's like a more neon bright orange. It's really cute. I love it. We're getting our vitamin C tonight with these palettes. Look at that. That's cute. I know we're getting to arm hair territory. I'm sorry, guys. But yeah, I like it. It's really cute. It swatches, but all the swatches that I swatched so far swatch really clean, like real smooth and buttery. I love it. The next color is called Tangerine Dreams, which is, sorry, I'm not trying to blind you guys, which is this bright orange color. I suck at describing shit. But it is really pretty. It's like Rise and Grind, but like a shimmer form. I'm gonna try to swatch it right here. That's pretty. I love oranges. Like, I don't like a whole orange look, if you know what I'm saying, but like I love like a good orange when I'm doing like a sunset eye or something. It gets me together real quick. The next color is called Mimosa Mommy, which is like this more corally orange. It's really pretty though. I like it. It's really cute. So I'm gonna swatch it right here. That's pretty. And then the last color in this palette is the darkest color as well. It's called You Peel Me. You Peel Me, honey. It's like this burnt orange. It's really cute. Let's swatch it right here. Ooh. That's really cute. So yeah, this is all the swatches of Orange You Glad on my hand. I was gonna do it right here, but I don't like how I do it like that because like it's a mess. So I think from this point on, I'm just gonna do it like this in my fist. Yeah, guys. Alright, so now on to the demo. Alright guys, to start out, I'm gonna use this Anastasia Norvina. Oh, see girl, it's the Anastasia primer. So yeah, oh, I'm squirting. We're just gonna, yeah. So I'm gonna put it on my hand. I'm running out, which sucks because I love this primer. I need to buy the big one. But you know, they don't sell the big one at Ulta anymore. They only sell the mini, which is fucking weird. I don't know why would they do that, you know? Like, I love this eyeshadow base. And you know what? I need to try, you know what primer I need to try? I need to try the fucking P. Louise base. I heard good things about it. I really need to try that one. So we're gonna take the shade You Peel Me right here in the outer V. I'm gonna blend that out with the shade Rise and Grind right here, just so we don't harsh. Oh! Ah! Oh my god! God, you have to see this. Look, all that fallout. Yo, it scared the shit out of me. Look. Oh my god, let us know. Oh my god, guys, subculture things, bitch. Oh my god, I'm shook. Wow. Alright, so now I'm gonna cut my crease using the shade Eden from Urban Decay's Primer Potion. If y'all know me and y'all been subscribed for me for a while, y'all know this trick. And I hope you guys do it. Alright, bitch. We're gonna do glitter today. So yeah, we're gonna take the next glitter glue and put it all over where I put the eyeshadow primer. Okay, anyway, yeah, let's do it. Guys, I'm gonna do something different. Normally I just go in with the glitter, but I'm gonna do a shimmer first because the glitter only has like a clear base, so it's still gonna look like I have concealer over it. So actually, I'm gonna use the shade Tangerine Dreams. I'm gonna put that all over my lid where I put the concealer. So now I'm gonna apply the glitter right here, Clementine, all over where I put the Tangerine Dreams. So now I'm gonna go back into the shade You Peel Me right here, and I'm gonna just clean up where I put the thing with the glitter, so there'll be no harsh lines. So now I'm gonna just make sure everything's all blended and cute, no harsh lines. So I'm gonna take the shade Creamsicle right here on this busted ass JS5 brush. Alright guys, so I'm gonna do the rest of my face and I'll be right back with the final look. Okay y'all, I'm back with the final look. Okay. And this is what I think about the Orange You Glad palette. First of all, I fucking love it. Oh my, I think this is my favorite one so far that I tested out. I know I only tested out 2, but bitch, I stand this one. This makes me want to drink orange juice harder. This makes me want to get some vitamins. Hey, harder. Okay, like I love it. I fucking love this color. Like this whole color scheme. The only color that I hate is Rise and Grind. Rise and Grind. Yeah, I hate that one because you saw the kickback. Look how like it looks like I fucking dug into it. Like yo, all that fallout. I'm really gonna deadass be finished it in like 2 days if I use it non-stop. And that's not how I love it. But I love this palette. The only thing that's like pooping about it is like the shimmers, in my opinion. There has to be more variety. Maybe like a neon light orange. Cause like I like this one, but like it still is kind of dark for my inner corners. I love a bright inner corner, and I didn't have one. But other than that, I love this palette. This is passable as fuck. I love this one better than the main squeeze. I would rather use this one than the main squeeze, in my opinion. I feel like though the red one, like eh. Unless you love red eyeshadow, then go ahead. But I love this one way better, in my opinion. But bitch, that's my opinion. Everybody has one. Everybody has assholes. It's just like an opinion. Everybody has one, right? Anyway, so yeah, we're done with this review. Guys, yeah, if you guys like this video, you already know what I'm doing, honey. Give me a big okay guys, I love you guys so much. And yeah, I love you, my moon babies.